Boy, feeling stuck ka na rin ba sa sitwasyon mo? Pressured sa mga expectation ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo? Yung tipong tinatry mo naman yung best mo. Parang wala kang nararating, no? Nakakapag-alala nga yan. Pero teka boy, bago ka mag-alala, tara. Tayo mga age bracket 20 to 30 years old. Dito mo unti-unting magigets kung ano nga ba ang reality ng buhay. Mga pangarap mong hindi pala ganun kadali. Marami kang adjustment. Goods lang yan. Kasi boy, nasa neutral stage ka na.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that I couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be easy to ignore. You put up with all my bullshit till you didn't anymore.
Ito yung exploration period natin. Hindi dito required na magaling ka kaagad. Walang ganun. Make mistakes. Start learning from your experience, at marami pang experience. Maraming challenges na tatatak. Maraming sacrifices. Nandyan yung mag-overthink ka. Ano kaya sasabihin ng iba? Baka pagtawanan lang tayo, di ba? Simplihan lang natin. Pag nahihirapan ka na sa bagay na ginagawa mo, yan na ang sign na nag-grow na tayo.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it, see how.
Hindi ko rin alam ang sikreto ng success, pero ang sikreto ng failure, alam ko. Kasi inaalala natin yung sasabihin ng iba masyado. Hindi totoo yung perfect timing, walang ganun. Boy, alam ko nahihirapan pa tayo i-absorb lahat ng nangyayari. Hindi ka talaga stuck, hindi ka rin napag-iiwanan. Hindi to karera, at huwag ka mag-alala boy. Hindi ka nag-iisa, gawa ka rin ng sarili mong storya.
Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy.
Meron akong part na nabubulol ako eh.
Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it, see how
1, 2, 3, go!
we rewind.
Pero teka boy,
So nice.